Now, today in this section, tangents and secants to a circle. Last two videos, what you learn the concept there means definition of a circle, definition of a tangent, secant of the circle, and how to construct the tangent to a circle. In the first video completed. In second video, what you learn there means the length of the tangent to a circle explained. Then one more theorem, the length of the tangent drawn from external point are equal. These two concepts are completed. Now in this section, construction of tangents to a circle from an external point. That concept now explaining, please observe it. First what you take there means step number one. Step number one, draw a circle with given radius. That means some radius giving, then you draw a circle. This one will be O if you take. It is the radius A. This is B, you take it. Then second point, take a point P. Take a point P with given distance from center. O. That means this is the P. Third step, what you take there means join OP. Step number 4, how to constructing by the PA and PB. Last section theorem completed. Now in this section, how to constructing by the PA and PB. That purpose, step number 4, what you take there means draw the perpendicular bisectors of OP. Draw the perpendicular bisectors of OP. That meaning from O, draw the one of middle of that OP you take. From P also you draw by the two arcs, join them, that will be intersecting at M. Now draw the circle. Then this circle, what is going on there means it is passing through in this way we go it. Passing through the A and B and passing through the P. That circle intersects at A and B. Intersected to A and B. Then last step, join P to A and P to B. That meaning P to A and P to B. Join P to A and P to B. Then here you observe PA equal to PB also will get. That meaning PA and PB are called by the tangents of the circle. What is this concept? There is construction of tangents to a circle from an external point. First, what is the first step? There means join. Take by the circle. After one point, if you take it outside of the circle, then join by the OP. After draw the perpendicular bisectors. Then M as center, draw by the one circle. That circle intersects original circle at the point A and B. Then join by the P to A and P to B. Then these are all called by the tangents of the circle. Now take by the one problem, same model of question. Now I am taking the one question. That question is also exercise number 9.2, question number 5. What is the question there means? Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeters from a point and centimeters away from its center. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their lengths. Verify by using Pythagoras theorem. This is the question. Indirectly, what is the meaning of this question? There means construction of the tangents from external point. Before what I explained, that is the theorem. First, step number 1. Step number 1. What is the step number 1? Draw a circle with the radius. With the radius, how much given? 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. Draw a circle. 6 centimeters I draw a circle. Point number 2. Take a point P. Take a point P with OP equal to 10 centimeters because from a point 10 centimeters. Here P, this is the 10 centimeters if you take. Then step number 3. Draw the perpendicular bisectors. Draw the perpendicular bisectors of OP. You know already how to construct by the perpendicular bisectors. More than half you take. More than half. That means like 6 centimeters or 6.5 centimeters. Take a radius. From here 1 arc. From here 1 arc. From P intersecting by the arcs. Join them. Here M. 1 point will come. Now M as a center. M as center. Take the radius. Take the radius. OM or MP. Draw a circle. Draw a circle. That means if M as a center, by using the compass, draw by the one circle. That circle comes in this way. Then this new circle intersecting by the original circle at points A and B. Circle intersects at A and B. Then join P to A, comma P to B. That means this is the one, this is the second one. Here PA and PB are the PA and PB are the tangents. This is the construction of the tangents. Finally, measure their lengths. You calculate by the PA length and PB length with help of the compass. Okay, ma? Then, by using the Pythagoras theorem also questioning is there. Here 90 degrees are there. How to calculate their means? Join OA. This length already given 6 centimeters. Now your question will be PA question mark. From triangle OAP, OP square equal to OA square plus AP square. OP is nothing but a 10 square, that means 100. ON is 36 plus AP square. AP square equal to 64. AP equal to 8 centimeters. If you verify with the scale, AP length also 8 centimeters, PB length also 8 centimeters. So, before theorem, that means last video already explained, the length of the tangents drawn from an external point are equal. That is the concept. Okay. Now go with the one more concept. Now this problem also you observe it. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeters which are inclined to each other at an angle 60 degrees. This is the construction of tangents question only, but not given by the distance from center to the external point. So first imagine by the rough diagram. This question is also example 1, page number 235. Rough diagram we draw it. One circle is there. The circle with the radius 5 centimeters if you take it, 5 centimeters. Then this is also 5 centimeters. Here A and B are the 2 points on the circumference of a circle. Some distance is there. I don't know this is distance. This is the question mark. Then after completion of the construction, the angle how much will come there means 60 degrees will come. This is the concept of this question. That manner you construct by the tangents. How to solve this type of questions are there means, first take by the rough diagram, then from the rough diagram,